Bonjour les amis, bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. Today you are going to learn about the usage of these interrogative adverbs. Quel, quelle, quel, quelle. The pronunciation of all these interrogative adverbs is same, that is quel. This quel is used for the masculine singular noun. This one is used with a feminine singular noun, a masculine plural noun, and a feminine plural noun. So I'll take up some sentences and then you will understand. The first one is quel. Quel jouk. Jouk is masculine singular. What day? A tapre makhadi. What day is after? Tuesday. So we have used the interrogative adverb quel. That is the masculine singular adverb with the masculine singular noun. One more sentence. Quel moi et avons décembre. Which month is before? Avo means before. December. Here we have used singular, masculine singular because the spelling of moa for masculine plural and masculine singular is same. We have to identify with this verb être. The singular form of the verb être will be used and this will indicate which form of interrogative adverb is going to be used, either singular or plural. Second category, quelle direction est entre le sud et l'est? Which direction? Direction is feminine singular, so we have used the feminine singular interrogative adverb is between. Entre means between. South and, this is and, pronunciation is a less east. The second question, quelle saison? Saison is feminine singular. Ne, quelle saison est froid? Froid means cold. So which season is cold? So the next one is the plural form. So the next one is the plural form of masculine singular. That is masculine plural. First example, quel pays veux-tu visiter? We have done the er ending verbs. I'll give the link over here. Kindly visit the video and learn how to conjugate the er ending verb. In this particular sentence, there are two verbs. The first one was will walk, so we have conjugated it with the subject pronoun tu. When there are two verbs coming in a sentence together, so we conjugate the first verb and the second verb remains in the infinitive form. Infinitive means the original form. Which country you want to visit. Moi, sans, tantre. Because of the liaison rule, the pronunciation will be tantre. Avril et septembre. Here we need to identify why quel, the plural form of quel, is used. We will identify by this verb. The plural form of être is used, conjugated form of être, which is plural. So we have used are here. What are the months between April and September? The last one, that is the plural form. Quelle saison aimes-tu? Which seasons you like? Second one, quelle fleur. I'll share the link of the verb will work over here. Kindly watch the video and understand how will work is conjugated. Here the verb is aimer, which means to love or like. Pronunciation is aimer. This is acheter. Acheter is the pronunciation of this verb, which means to buy. Which flowers you want to buy? Again, the two verbs are coming together. The second verb will remain in infinitive form. The first verb is conjugated. These are the sentences which I wanted to discuss. Now I'm sharing an exercise with you. Let's do this exercise. Here, complete means, the pronunciation of this is complete. The verb is an er ending verb, which means to complete. The pronunciation is same, complete. With, awake means with. Zanimo prefere tiu. First one is zanimo prefere tiu. The verb over here is an er ending verb. However, the conjugation of this particular verb is a bit different. So this belongs to the special category of verb. This means to prefer, and the pronunciation is pre fe re prefere. Zanimo is a masculine plural noun. So we will use the masculine plural form, that is quel. Quel zanimo prefere tu? Which animal do you prefer? Second sentence, couleur. Aimez-vous? The term here is couleur. This means colors, since it is in plural form. It is a feminine plural noun in this particular sentence. So we will use quel. Quelle couleur aimez-vous? Which colors do you like or you like? Joug sommes-nous a joug d'ouïe? The pronunciation is Ajuk dui. Ojuk dui. Juk somnu ojuk dui. Juk is a masculine singular noun. So quel juk somnu ojuk dui. Fourth one, moi sans ton été. Été is summer. Sans is used with a plural noun. So here the months are plural. Therefore, we will use the plural form of quel. The fifth one, dash spoke. Fethu. Fethu is to do. The verb over here is fact. I'm sharing the link over it. Kindly visit it and understand how is it conjugated in affirmation and negation. So, spoke is masculine singular, but here it is in plural form, so we will use the plural form. Maison et grand. Grand means big, large. Maison means house. It is a feminine in gender. Maison. So we will use quel. So the first one was quels animaux préférez-vous? Quelle couleur aimez-vous? Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? Quel mois sont temps été? Quel sport fais-tu? Quelle maison est grand? So these are the pronunciations, and this is how we use these particular interrogative adverbs in a sentence. This is all for today. Kindly like the video if you understood the contents. Please share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel Master of French with Vidyansshu. And please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates on time. A très bientôt.